is going to be this beautiful burgundy kind of berry eye look. It is super easy using all drugstore palettes. You know how we do around here. And it was actually pretty quick too, so that was a huge plus. I got inspiration from this Pinterest picture right here, so you know, Pinterest. I've been on it lately a lot. So let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful berry eye look. The two palettes I'm going to be using today are these two very affordable ones. We've got Makeup Revolution. This is a reloaded palette. I don't even know if they make this anymore. And then the Perfusion Smoky palette, which I featured not too long ago on my channel. I think I did a review on it. You know Perfusion. Love it. First thing I'm gonna do is take a flat brush like this and just take this shade right here from the Perfusion Smoky palette. It's called Pure, and just put it all over my eyes for a nice base. I like to do this just so that my other shadows go on very easy and smooth like. I'm sure I showed you this picture in the intro, but this is the picture I'm kind of going for. Isn't she beautiful? Stunning. Love that. This is going to be super easy because one, we're an easy channel. We like simple, quick, easy, affordable, right? We like to be glam, but we like it to be beginner friendly if possible. So that's what we're going for today. Going into the Revolution palette, I'm going to be taking this darker burgundy right here on a fluffy blending brush. We are going to just put that all over our lid, stamping and swiping. Stamp and swipe. See how it kind of just diffuses the color. You always want to make sure you go in lighter and then move to dark, especially if you're just getting into eyeshadow. That way you don't overdo it if you are not comfortable with the colors. I want it to be a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go in with a more dense brush. More dense brush. I'm gonna go in with the same color, and I'm just gonna focus on stamping that color all the way to my lash line, the inner corner to the outer corner, and really focusing that on my lid, because that's where I want the darkest shade to be. This step you can just build up to your desired intensity. This is gonna look beautiful. It already looks really good, and we've only used two colors and we're like almost done. I'm wiping off that big blending brush that we used in the beginning. I'm gonna say we're gonna go in with the Revolution palette and go in with this like rust brown right here, and just take a little bit on the tip and lightly windshield wiper that edge so that it's very blown out. That way you don't have a harsh line and everything looks very gradient like. Now I'm just gonna do exactly what I did on the top to the bottom. And for the bottom, I'm just gonna take a smaller dense brush like this, go in with this shade from the Revolution palette, go right underneath. I'm not gonna intensify this color too much because on her picture, it looks like she has more brown on the underneath. So I'm gonna place this here and then add more of the brown transition shade underneath. And again, I'm using just another blending brush, but smaller so that it can fit underneath my eye and give me that blown out look. She does have a little bit of shimmer on her brow bone, so I'm gonna go in with this Pretty Smart eyeshadow palette of Celebrity Artist. I'm gonna use this shade right here. I think this is gonna be enough shimmer to where it looks subtle but not crazy. Now I'm just gonna go in with that fluffy blending brush and blend everything out. Make sure there's no harsh lines and everything looks very blown out. Gonna tight line my upper and lower lash line. And mascara, this is the Maybelline Colossal Bubble mascara. I think it turned out so good. I'm so happy with it. It was super easy and actually really quick. What do you think? Same but different, right? Of course, if you want a more dramatic look, you can add some lashes. What do y'all think? Did you enjoy this? Let me know. Let me know what other looks you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and other reviews. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.